In this class, we will talk about how to select OR when the parameter is empty. Typically, if we don't have the parameter in the widget, when we hit Query, the output is empty. So, how to show all the data when we have an empty parameter? Let's take a look. First of all, let's create a new database query. Select OR from Orders. Take a preview, and we can see there are a lot of data in Orders. Then hit OK. Create a title row by entering the variable names and drag the corresponding data from Orders into the second row. Select from left to right. To make the report looks good, add inner and outer border to the report and center align the data. Then add a template parameter from template. Hit the plus sign and rename it to ship method. And set the default value to UPS. Click OK. Click on the pencil sign to edit the parameter pane. After we click Add OR, it will automatically appear the Label widget, Custom widget, and Query widget. Let's select the drop-down box widget and create a data dictionary for it. The database is FineReport and select Database Table Orders. Both the column name should be ship method. Click OK, then we are done editing the parameter pane. Add a filter to cell A2. Ship method as a column and set it equal to a formula as shown. This formula means if the parameter is empty, we are not going to filter the data. If the parameter is not empty, we will filter the data according to the value of the parameter. Check the validation and add the condition. Hit OK and preview the template. We can see when the ship method is UPS, it will show all the data with UPS as shipment. If we select Null, it will show all the data. We just introduced the way of adding template parameter to show all the data when the parameter is empty. Now we are going to teach how to modify the database parameter to achieve the same output. Open the database query and add two rows. 1 equal to 1 is a formula that's always true. We add it to make sure all the formula after is able to execute. The next parameter means if the length of ship method is equal to 0, it will output all the data. If it's not 0, it will filter the data according to the value of the parameter. Let's try this. The first step is still editing the parameter pane. It's exactly the same method as we did last time. We set up the data dictionary for it. The database is FineReport and select Database Table Orders. Both the column name should be ship method. Click OK, then we can take a preview. If we select Null, it will show all the data just like was showed last time.